I'm going to tell you something that wastes millions of dollars in AI and almost nobody talks about it. The most powerful chip in the data center. Most of the time, it's doing nothing, up to 86% of the time, just sitting there. I'm Mahsa Arakani. I'm a PhD student in the ICAS lab at the University of South Carolina, and this is the paper that finally fixes the thing that I mentioned in the previous slide, fine mixture of experts. So here is what happens. Modern AI models are a huge team of specialists, but for every word, only 2 or 3 actually work. The rest is ideal. It is smart, but the problem is that the work comes in messy, uneven chunks, and GPUs hate messy, so it forces it to fit. They fake it. They fill the gaps with garbage work. So imagine that we have 16 cups. Only one cup is the real work, and the other 15 they are fake, computed for nothing, every single step. So fine mixture of expert flips it. Stop bossing the chip around. Just let the data flow. The words stay still. The model streams past them like a conveyor belt, non-stop, no waiting, no fake work. But what is the payoff? 7 times faster, 14 times more energy efficient on a chip small enough to actually put it in the device. And this is where I got hooked. Because I work on cramming AI onto tiny devices, my real takeaway is that we keep trying to shrink the model. But maybe the fix isn't a smaller model. It's hardware that finally gets how these models think. So one thing they left me with though, they squeezed everything down to save memory and never told us if the model stayed accurate. That's the first thing that I want to know. Stop padding and start streaming. That's fine mixture of expert. Thank you so much for paying attention.